Most pythonic way to delete a file which may not exist. I want to delete the file name if it exists. Is it proper to say, is there a better way? A one-line way.
A more Pythonic way would be, although this takes even more lines and looks very ugly, it avoids the unnecessary call to os.path.exists and follows the Python convention of overusing exceptions. It may be worthwhile to write a function to do this for you.
I prefer to suppress an exception rather than checking for the file's existence, to avoid a tech2 bug. Matt's answer is a good example of this, but we can simplify it slightly under Python 3, using contextlib.suppress. If file name is a pathlib.path object instead of a string, we can call its .unlink method instead of using os.remove. In my experience, path objects are more useful than strings for file system manipulation. Since everything in this answer is exclusive to Python 3, it provides yet another reason to upgrade.
As of Python 3.8, use missing_ok equals true in pathlib.path.unlink, docs here.
os.path.exists returns true for folders as well as files. Consider using os.path.isFile to check for whether the file exists instead.
If you want